Andun na sir, nauna na. Forward.
Forward kasi.
Ikaw na yung spokesperson
How
nila.
would you describe the closing statements of the defense counsel? Sir, how would you describe the closing statements of the defense counsel?
Defense counsel?
Yes, sir. Him first, the other sides later.
There was a vigorous attempt.
Wait lang. Pwede tayo mag-live?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
There was a vigorous attempt on the part of the prosecution to redeem itself
Live ko si...
from following its catastrophic fall on its submission, owing to the defense, extensive defense. But, as I said, I think it has become beyond salvage or redemption. So, I think it's viewing inappropriate for me now to trash on the shattered pieces.
What made you say that na hindi na siya salvageable, sir? What do you think is the point in their
I
argument?
think I will maybe explain myself yesterday and I don't want to.
Mag-live kami namin.
Sir, when it comes naman doon sa performance ni Attorney Kaufman, how would you describe his closing statements? Are you satisfied with his performance?
As I've already said, he has rebutted all the allegations of the prosecution. In fact, bagsak ko. So, parang kalabisan na. Napakang ko tayo
Attorney Panelo, what's your reaction, sir, doon sa later part ng kanyang closing statement with respect doon sa engagement niya kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa loob ng detention
It
facility?
was only relating what transpired in the former president, the conversation. I think it is also, the court has the right to know what is happening with the president.
Sir, based on his description, would it be fair to say that the president seems to have a defeatist attitude during their conversation?
Repeated. As he has repeatedly said, even when he was still president, and after he said, if this is so me,
Attorney Sal, what's your comment dun sa prosecution and the counsel submission about sa continued detention si dating Pangulo? Sinasabi pa rin po nila, he still has the influence, the support of his supporters po, even citing yung ginawa po lugo sa support.
I think the defense has already made its position on the matter. He said it has no objection to the continued detention because there is an appeal on that. So I don't think I have to do it.
So what's the plan po after the lawyers moving forward after this confirmation?
Uwi na.
Uwi na, sir.
Uwi na kami.
Okay.
Uwi na kami. And hopefully meet with the Vice President, exchange views on the outcome of this year.
Sir, if may takeaway po kayo dito sa 5-day na hearing na to, meron po ba kayong masasabi? 4-day, kasama po yung update po. Ano po yung takeaway ninyo baga sa buong session? Sa mga nakita niyo rin pong reaksyon sa mga tao at pati ganun din sa final closing statements po, both assessing both prosecution.
Sir, did the Vice President ask for any
Kasi
updates?
banda dun sa kanyang statement kanina, sinabi niya.
Wala pa po.
Hindi paano pa ano kasi mag-live.
Thank you, sir, sa...
Okay. Sa live tayo kayo. Live po kayo. Thank you po.
Always watch your live.
Thank you po, ma'am.
I'm from Appledore, my husband is that.
Thank you, ma'am. Mabuhay ka, ma'am. Of course, hanggang sa dulo, ma'am. Bisaya, laban ta, ma'am. Oy. Wala. Sino na kumatapos?
Guys, grab na.
pending application, the early resolution of this process.
I am not a blogger. I am the president.
So are you satisfied with how Attorney Kaufman presented?
All the arguments against the establishment of the prosecution. Sort of. They cannot do anything else. Family can still observation for the grant of the variances. Yes, I think so. But you know, it depends upon the judges of the ICC. Because the problem is that you have different the sentiment of the people. And I feel they are emotional about the situation. Because it's according to the constitution, there's a limitation under the rules of the rules.
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Attorney Medaldea.
Ang liit mo kasi.
Why is it the ICC until now they are not answering the jurisdiction and also the enough evidence
I cannot answer that for them. It's what was also claimed.
because of the paying?
I don't know. I don't know. But
Hindi sila bias, attorney.
I don't know. I do not want to pass as person on that. But we, from the very start, we questioned the jurisdiction.
No,
of the
attorney,
ICC.
that for the law here, you have a jurisdiction before you bring here because in Esquipo,
Okay.
must be interviewed.
Yeah.
Attorney, what's your reaction to the closing statement of the defense? Attorney Kaufman.
Okay naman. Very good. Very good.
No jurisdiction.
The position of the defense. Very clear that yung sinasabi niya na yung salita cannot deal. So, yung mga statement na attributed to the president, parang ginagamit na dahilan na yun daw ang pagpatay ay sa kanya. It is not true.
So do you think charges won't be confirmed?
Well, I hope.
Yeah.
What keeps you optimistic that
Hala, mahal
Hindi ko kinaya. Hindi ko kinaya. Yung, ayun na pala si ano. Si attorney.
Okay, because I don't want to throw. I want to, yes, please. No, thank you. No, I wanted to be sure that if you wait for somebody, we will. Thank you. Thank you, sir.